Good afternoon and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Bree, and it's a super day to be a Panther.
Today in sporting news, our girls beach volleyball team will travel to Vieira today and their matches will begin at 4 p.m.
Our boys varsity baseball team will compete against Bayside today, here at home beginning at 6 o'clock p.m.
The girls JV softball team will compete at Space Coast today at 5:15.
Following this JV game, the girls varsity team will also compete against Space Coast, and this game will be at 7:15 p.m.
Lots of luck to all our Panther sports teams today.
Students and staff, before you attend any of the sporting events, make sure you can come out and check out the Drama Club showcase at 4 o'clock p.m.
Attention, seniors who have not met the reading or math graduation requirement should register now for the March 9th SAT. Regular registration deadline is February 23rd and late deadline is February 27th. And April 13th ACT regular registration deadline is March 8th.
If you are on free or reduced lunch, see Ms. Jamir for the ACT waivers. SAT waivers should already be in your College Board account.
The SAT is now digital. That means you can bring your own device. After registering, download the Blue Book app and start exploring. The week before your test, they'll email you a reminder to complete a short exam setup in the app before you can print out your admission.
Seniors taking these tests, make sure you are using Khan Academy's SAT prep so that you can earn a concordant score.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Have a great day and go Big Blue!